So this is a follow-up to this video here, horizontal scrolling in Premiere Pro. I have some news, some additions, some new information. So I was trying to figure out how to get horizontal scrolling on my mouse to work. So if I zoom in and show you again, it's really buggy. I'm moving the wheel right now. Nothing is happening on the screen. It is absolutely horrible. I'm getting a call right now. So as you can see, it is, it's just horrific. And that's what I outlined in this video here, this one. So go watch this if you want to know more about the situation that I'm talking about today. I made this post on r/Premiere Pro, and I had a few people commenting. And a couple of people said some interesting stuff, which was strange. Logitech flywheel works amazing. Yada 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 yada. And then I think some guy pointed out that the trackpad seems to just work extremely well. And I did some further research, and I got one of my mates to test out the tracking, and it turns out that the way to fix this is to use the Apple trackpad. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the way to fix this is to buy pay $170 and works perfectly. Perfect amount of scrolling. It's still polling at the same rate, but it has a lot more consistency with what I'm doing. So the solution to the situation apparently seems to be buy an Apple product. Whoever knew that an Apple product would work well with another Apple product? Seriously though, I think it's because I think someone pointed it out in the Reddit post. Okay, maybe someone didn't, and I'm just imagining this. Apparently this is an issue throughout multiple apps. I probably think that it's something to do with Logitech and Mac not working together. Obviously, there's something wrong with their horizontal scrolling events, and Premiere just can't detect them properly. I don't know. Not my problem. I bought the trackpad. It's so much better. I can get back to editing now. I can smoothly move through the timeline. No issues at all. That is the solution. There is nothing else to be done. Just go spend $180, and that is it. Goodbye.